A garden holds a surprising mix of living and non-living things. This tiny sprout is living because it grows and changes. The bee and flower are living too, needing energy and water. A smooth pebble is non-living, though it can still move. Non-living things do not grow, need food, or make young. Look for these clues, and every garden becomes a science lesson. How can we tell if something is truly alive? Buzzy can show us 7 clues. First, Buzzy moves between flowers, while plants slowly turn toward sunlight. Buzzy releases energy from food through respiration, powering every busy flight. When the light changes, Buzzy senses danger and quickly responds by moving away. Like every bee, Buzzy grew and developed before becoming a capable adult. Bees reproduce, take in food, and remove waste to keep their colony healthy.